6th of July 2023.
Kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Irme Limpese.
Yes, and it's Maapallonkuja. Jordgloppsgränden 2, staircase B, and this is the last one to be filmed here in this residential building. We have filmed the staircase as AMC before here. It's also here Olari, because thematically it might be in Espoo healthcare sports region, modernized Finland, and it was built in 1976. Turned 45 years old in 2021, and the serial number is H37643. But I think this is finished in 1977, so it says late 76.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2025, and it is first for 6 was.
Yeah.
Or 2.
Yeah.
6 was 2 to 7.
It has memory.
Okay. Yeah, with memory also.
Yeah.
But those doors are just locked due to the door opener.
Yeah.
And here Olars, we only have 2 more elevators left to be filmed later.
Yeah.
It's the EGV scenic elevators where we filmed the staircase C.
Yeah. Niissä tiit paikki vain, että me eteenpäin Espoon hissi.
I like the speed and the sounds in here.
Same here.
And that sticker is in both official languages, the warning sticker.
The door opener doesn't even work.
No.
That's